By 2026, the gap between the average and the exceptional is going to be the widest it has ever been. But the reason won't be talent, luck, or even who works the hardest. Getting ahead of 99% of people isn't about working more hours. It will come down to mastering one specific skill that most people are completely overlooking right now. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. Here's the problem. 99% of people are passive consumers of information. They read, they watch, they scroll. They're like sponges, soaking up knowledge. But in a world of AI, that is a failing strategy. Information is now cheap and infinite. Competing on how much you can remember is a game you will lose to a machine every single time. Your value is no longer in what you know. The top 1% understand this. They know the game has changed. They are shifting from being passive consumers to becoming active synthesizers. What does that mean? An active synthesizer doesn't just learn information, they interrogate it. They use technology like AI as a thinking partner to create new insights at a speed that was impossible just a few years ago. Let me give you an example. The old way to learn a topic is to read 5 articles. The active synthesizer asks an AI to summarize 50 articles, identify the 3 biggest debates, and find the most powerful counter-argument. Then, they spend their precious mental energy on the one thing a machine can't do, using that information to form a new, unique, and valuable insight. You are no longer just a learner, you are an engine of creation. So, how do you start doing this today? It's a simple 2-step loop. First, ask a powerful question. Don't ask what something is. Ask about the connection between 2 different ideas. Ask about the second-order consequences of a trend. The quality of your question is everything. Second, synthesize, don't just summarize. Use technology to gather the what. Use your mind to answer the so what. Your job isn't to repeat facts, it's to build a conclusion that didn't exist before. This is the secret. In 2026, 99% of people will be using technology as a search engine. You will be using it as a sparring partner. That is the gap. That is how you get ahead. So in the comments below, share one powerful question you are going to explore using this method. Start today. If this gave you a new perspective, a like and subscribe would mean the world. Now, go out there and forge your path.